walk through the park, take a walk through the forest. It's been scientifically proven that a walk through the park, a walk through the forest can do your body very well. It can really improve your mental health as well as your physical and overall well-being. When you walk through the forest and when you walk through the park, what you don't realize is that nature and the environment itself is emitting chemicals that are beneficial to your body, that affect your parasympathetic system. And by doing so, it puts your body in a state of de-stress. Your body is put in a state where stress starts to decrease. And you start to feel good about yourself, and your overall health is improved. Now, this is scientifically being proven. The Japanese have a term for it. It's called Shinrin Yoku. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly for my Japanese fans. So loosely translated in English, it means a forest bath. Walking through the forest is like having a forest bath.